Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this beautiful channel named Geeks for Geeks School. I would also like to welcome all the students who have joined in through my channel, the name of which is Gaurav Kumar Jain. Welcome to this tutorial, everyone. Now, before diving into the Scratch platform, I would like to tell you about the course which Geeks for Geeks has recently come up with. So it's the course which is based on App Lab. If you haven't learned App Lab yet, if you don't know the features available on App Lab with the help of which you can develop beautiful mobile applications, then this course is for you. And if you want to know advanced things related to App Lab, you are at the right place. This course is definitely for you. You can go ahead and avail this course. So you can find all the information related to this App Lab course which we have come up recently with on this web page. So the URL for accessing the web page is this. If you're not able to see it over here, if it is not too clear to you guys, let me tell you guys that this URL you can find in the description section, and also there is a promo code which you can easily find in the description section, based on which if you use it, definitely you are going to get a very good discount on the total course fee, which is extremely affordable, right? So seats are limited. Go ahead and book your seats for this course. Even if you want to learn something like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, etc, etc, so Geeks for Geeks is everywhere. We teach everything related to coding, related to designing. So if you want, you guys can check out all the courses on the Geeks for Geeks main website, right? And if you want to know more about this course, then you can come down on this web page, and here you'll see a button. Now if you'll click on this button, automatically a new tab like this is going to open up on your respective device, and in this you will see a PDF file where you will be able to get all the syllabus, all the topics that will be covered in this App Lab course. So these are the 18 topics which will be covered, and not only these, but you will be learning many more things about app development, right? So go ahead and book your seats for this course. It's amazing, believe me, and we have put in a lot of hard work for making and designing this course, right? So give us a chance to impress you guys, okay? And if you want to know more about this, if you have any queries, you can put in the comment section. Definitely I'm going to check out the comment section very soon, and will let you know about will resolve all your issues, all your queries related to this App Lab course. And if you want to get in touch with one of our executives, you can dial the toll-free number which you can easily find on this Geeks for Geeks website. Okay, so visit us today and definitely you will not regret. You're going to learn many new things. Okay, so let's come on Google and dive into the Scratch platform, on which we are going to check out how can we make use of video sensing and color sensing blocks, right? Yesterday also we did a we did make an app based on the two blocks, but today we are going to learn about something advanced. So be there with me till the end of the tutorial, and do not forget to like the video and share it in your groups. Right now you're not able to see me just because I will be using my camera for that video sensing part. Okay, that is the reason I have not used it with my OBS studio, with the help of which I am currently streaming this video at present on both the channels, my own channel, that is Gaurav Kumar Jain, and Geeks for Geeks School. So let's dive into the platform. So that's the steps you can use for accessing the Scratch online platform. So Scratch Online 3.0, when you will put in the search bar, automatically that's what the web page you're going to come across. Now right on the top you'll see this URL. Click on this and it will redirect you to the main website of Scratch, and in the header part of this website you will see. So the students who are new on this platform, let me tell you that on this platform we follow block based coding. So all the codes are present in the form of blocks. You can learn machine learning through this. You can learn many things about sensors, different kind of sensors. So today we are going to learn about the video sensing part and the color sensing tools. Okay. So yes, we have made the use of these blocks the previous lectures also, but today I am going to explain it more to you, right? Okay, so we have this sprite over here, and let's understand first the this color sensing part. So the first thing that I would like to define is the code with the help of which I can move this cat in the right and left direction. So we know it very well. We can come on this control section, and from here we can grab this, we can come on this event section, and from here we can grab this block when space bar is pressed. So here if you'll click on this drop down, automatically these are the options you're going to come across. Now if I'll press the right arrow key, I would like this sprite to move in the right direction. So I think we can go ahead and make use of this go to X, or let's make use of this change X by, right? That is going to be a good option. Now if you'll hit this flag over here and you'll start pressing the right direction key, right arrow key, so you'll see that this cat has started moving in the right direction. Similarly, if you want to make it move in the left side, so you can uh, duplicate this code, and instead of this right arrow we are going to have down, not the down arrow, it's right arrow, and here we just have to change this 10 with -10. Okay, now let's see what is going to happen. Besides that, I would like it to point towards this side, so that's how we can do it. We can just change the angle to -90, and if it is right arrow key which the user will press, so I would like it to point towards this side. Right, let's now check out the code whether it is going to give us the correct output or not. So I'm hitting this flag button. I am not able to do anything. Why? Okay, I haven't defined anything for this flag. I don't think that it is very much required. Let me see how this code is going to help us. Okay, if I am clicking on this, it is moving in the right direction, and if I am clicking on this, I don't want it to go upside down. I want it to, if I'll choose this, so that's how it is going to behave. And if I'll choose this angle, okay, fine. Okay, I think we will have to choose something else. So how about this one? If I'll just eliminate these two blocks, and let's make use of when the flag is clicked, and with this we can how about if I'll put set rotation style to left right, and it should be forever, right? Where is that forever block? We can find it in the control section. Okay, so I'm going pretty fast today just because we have to cover a lot of things, and we have already discussed a lot about these things, so I hope I know you'll be able to understand these things very well. Okay, it's working fine, but let me just drag and drop it over here. Now if I'll click this, okay, and how about if I'll change it to all around? Okay, I think that's not giving us anything, so let's do one thing. For now we do not require any such thing, so I'm eliminating this block, no problem. I think we can do it easily if we can if we'll use if control statement. Definitely we can do it very easily. but for now let me just use only these two codes. So if I'll click on this block, automatically that's what we'll see. So the cat is moving in the right direction, and if I'll click on this one, the cat will start moving in the left side. Okay, now let's come on this event section and add an event to this coding window. So when the flag is clicked, I would like a code to run forever till the game is on. So for that we need this forever block. I'm putting it over here like this. Let's now understand how can we make use of the color sensing block, which is this one and this one. But before that we need an if control statement, because I would like to control the execution of statement that I'm going to put over here inside this if. So that's the reason I am using this if statement. Now let's define another sprite over here. So how can we add one more sprite? We can come down over here on this choose a sprite option, and if you'll click on this, automatically that's what you're going to come across. So it's the sprites library from where you can choose any sprite. Now I would like to add some sprite which can look relevant to what I'm making. Let's make use of this one. This is looking good, right? And I would like to keep it somewhere over here. Fine. Coming back on this sprite one. Now if this, let me come on this sensing tool, sensing section, and we are going to select this touching color from here. Now with the help of this, we can put a check on the collision part. If this cat will collide with this heart over here, automatically something should happen. That's what I want. So and how can we put a check on the collision? We can make use of the color codes. Okay, so the color, how can we find out the color of this heart? We can click on this, right? And this is a color picker tool that you can use. Click on this color picker tool and select this color. So done. As you can see, now this color is getting reflected over here. So what does this if control statement means now? It means that if this sprite will touch this color at any point of time, then what will happen? Let's do one thing. Let's make use of this sound block. So I would like to hear a sound from the background, which is going to be meow. Let's see what is the output we'll get if we'll run the code. So I need to change it to down arrow. Sorry, not down but left arrow. Yeah, now it is fine. So if I'll now hit this flag and so that's what I just heard. It was the meow sound which I added to this if control statement. So when this cat will touch this colored heart over here, what will happen? We'll hear this sound from the background. Fine. So that's how this color touching block works. Let me now check out the comment section. If you have any queries, you're most welcome to put the same in the comment box so that I can reply to the same and resolve all the queries you have related to this Scratch platform or related to the blocks we have on the Scratch platform, right? Okay, I'm checking out the comment section right now. Fine, I'm not able to see any queries on Geeks for Geeks cool channel. Let me now check my own channel. So Pokemon Ultra Crystal is there. Then Miss Makers, hello dear, I hope you're enjoying this lecture. Thank you very much for joining me at this time in this tutorial. Then Coding Heroes, can you guys please share your name? Thank you very much for joining me, by the way, in this tutorial. I hope you are enjoying it. Do not forget to like and share the video so as to make it reach the maximum students possible, and thank you very much in advance for doing the same. Okay, now let's check out how can I bring my own video on this playground. So what we can make use of, let's click on this for adding it to the Scratch platform we are on right now. Okay, so I have successfully added this video extension, and as you can see, I'm able to see myself on the screen right now. Is it not amazing? It's really amazing. For me, it's really amazing. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it's really very interesting. Okay, so it's happening just because of these video sensing blocks which I just added to my Scratch platform. And if I'll enlarge the size of this window, let's see what is going to happen. So that's how. Let me eliminate this heart shape for now. Okay, so it's gone and you guys are now able to see me. So it's because of the video sensing block which I just added to my this Scratch platform. Now I would like to add some code. Let's come on this event section, and from here I would like to pick up this when flag is clicked. So when the flag will be clicked, I would like the video to turn on. So we can come on this video sensing section, and from here we can pick up this turn video on block, and I'm putting it over here. So if I'll select, it will go off. Okay, and if I want to turn it on, so I can just hit the on, select the on option from this drop down, and as soon as I'll hit this flag, the video will be on and you all will be able to see me. So that's the magic of this video block. I hope you guys are enjoying it now. Fine, just try it out yourself, give it some time. You will be you have to, you need to feel all these blocks. Until and unless you will feel them, you will not be able to create something new out of it. Okay, so with the help of this block, let's see what can we do. So I think we can set the transparency with the help of this block. Right now it is 50. If I'll change it to 100, let's see what's gonna happen. So I am going to stop and I'm going to play. I'm going to hit this flag button again. Okay, so now I'm not visible. If I'll change this transparency to 0, let's see what is going to happen then. Let me just click this flag button. Okay, so I am now, my video is now more clear, and I'm also able to see myself over here. It's great, it's amazing. Fine, let me stop it and let me change the transparency to I think 50. How about 50? Let's try it out. What's the output we will get? I just want to check it. Okay, so that's 50, but 50 is not looking good, right? Let me just change it back to, how about 0. 0 is I think fine. You were able to see me more clearly. Yes, now my image is coming more clear. Okay, let's now add some more codes to this event, which is when flag is clicked. So for that, what I'm going to do, I am going to, just a second, I am making some adjustments. Yes, so let's come on this properties section. I don't want this sprite anymore, so I'm deleting it. How can we delete it? We just have to hit this bin button and automatically it will go disappear, right? Okay, let's now add a new sprite. So this time, instead of adding the sprite from the sprite section of the Scratch, I would like to draw it myself. For doing that, let's make use of this paint option. And how can you get it? You just have to bring your cursor and place it over here on this option, and automatically a menu like this is going to appear. Now from here you can select this paint option and it will redirect you to the costume section, where you can create your own sprite using these tools available over here. So it's again a very good facility with the help of which you can draw your own sprites. Whatever kind of sprite you want, you can draw it. Fine, let me make use of this rectangular tool, and I would like to see a black. Just a second, let me change the fill color to black because I want to have a black color rod kind of thing, or rectangle, you can say filled rectangle. So that's how you can make it using this. Just a second, why it's not working? Yeah, it has started working. I don't want this, I want a, sorry, this time it worked, and I'm able to see a black color rectangle on my screen also. Okay, let me bring it down. I would like to keep it over here. Yeah, that's fine. If you want to increase, if you want to play with the width and height of this rectangle block, you can do it like this. You can change the height, you can increase and decrease the width also, right? So that's how you can play with the dimensions of this. Okay, I think this much is looking fine. Now let's define some code for this block. So the name of this costume is sprite1. I'm going to come back on this coding part, and let's now select this sprite and define the required code. So when the flag will be clicked, what I want is, I would like to first turn on the video. Just a second, where is that video sensing block? Okay, so I would first like to turn on the video. How can we do that? We can simply make use of this turn video on block, and we can place it over here, right? And then you want to see the transparency, so you can do it with the help of this block. I've already told you what is going to happen if you'll put 50 over here for the transparency part. However, if you want to see your image more clear, if you want to see a more clear image of yourself, you can put 0 over here, so transparency is going to be 0. Then we can come on this control section, and let's use this forever loop. Now inside this forever loop, I would like to put a code which I want this platform to run for me forever till the game is on. So how can we do that? What is the code that we require? Initially this this black color block or rectangle, I would like to see over here only. Fine, so that's the reason I am using this go to XY block. So when the game will be on, when the player will click on this flag button, if suppose the black rod is somewhere over here, it will automatically go back at its initial position. So that's what this block is going to help us with. And then I would like it to glide, like a scanner. The way a scanner moves, in the same way I would like this to move from this point to this point. For doing that, I think the best way to do this is we can use this glide block. We can put it over here, and then we can just change this to, let's glide 1 second. I think 1 is fine. Let's check what it is going to give us. So 506. So that's how it is going to continuously move like a scanner. It's moving very fast. I would like to make the movement slow, so we can just change the value to 2.5. I think 2.5 is going to be a good option. Yes, it is. So now if I'll enlarge the size of the window and hit this go button, that's what I will see. So that's what I'm getting as an output. Okay, and it's looking good. It's actually looking like as if it is scanning my face, right? Okay, if you want to have more bars over here, you can definitely define more bars. You just have to, what do you have to do? You have to duplicate this sprite. Okay, and then you have to just place it at the right position. Now you can play. Okay, I think we will have to change the position of the second one. Instead of putting both the sprites at the same position, let's now we need to define a separate location for the second one. I think now it is going to work fine. See how good it is looking, how beautiful it is looking. See, actually it is looking like a scanner to me, but I don't want the second one. Let me just eliminate it from here. Okay, done. So now the second thing that we're going to do is we are again going to pick up this when the flag is clicked block, and I would like to put it over here. Now why we use this when flag is clicked? Because it is an event driven programming we are doing. All this code which I've put inside this when flag is clicked block, it will only execute when this event will occur. If this event will not occur, then these codes will not be executed by the platform. Okay, so that's why we call it an event driven programming platform, where until and unless an event occurs, code doesn't gets executed, right? Then we need a forever loop, forever block. Where can we find it? I think we can find it in the control section. Yes, this is the one I was looking for. I'm putting it over here. Let me just stop this scanning thing. Okay, now it is fine, I think. Yeah. So now I'm going to show you how can we make use of this video sensing tool that we have added to the Scratch platform. The real thing, the advanced concept, we are going to learn about this video sensing part now. So let's put this if block over here. Now inside this if block I would like to make use of this touching color block. I'm putting it over here. So what we are doing right now, we are defining the code for this sprite. If this sprite over here will touch anything like this remote, this white remote, so I would like to hear some sound from the background. Now how can we define such a code? That's what I would like to tell you. So what we can do, if this line or rectangle block is going to touch this color, this remote, I would like to hear a sound from the background. Now for doing that, we can simply click on this. So that's my remote, and that's the color picker tool, and I would like to pick up this color of my remote. Here I go. Okay, done. So as you can see, now the color is getting reflected over here of my remote, and now I would like to add a sound to this if control statement. Let me use, how about start sound? Okay, and then we can, okay, let me just record my own voice, that is going to be more interesting. Let's see whether I'll be able to record my own voice or not. Okay, I think I'll not be able to record it because I'm already using my microphone for recording my video over here. Or let's do one thing, let's not do this thing for now. I'm going to select a sound which is already present in the sounds library of this Scratch platform. So for accessing that, let me first delete this thing and let's come back on this coding section, and from here we can move to the sounds library. Now we are going to select a sound from the sounds library of Scratch. So you can come down and hit this option, choose a sound. Automatically you will get redirected on this platform, where you'll get redirected on this window where you'll see different sounds you can add to your project. No. Okay, let's choose this one. I think this one is looking good. This one is sounding good, right? So I have selected this one, and the name of this sound is bonk. Let's come on this coding section and let me select bonk from here. Now let's run this code. Sorry, I think I deleted it by mistake. Yeah, now it is fine. So with the help of this variable, we can control the volume of the sound, but I don't want to get into this right now. Let's enlarge the size of the window. I would like to now play this game. So right now we are not able to hear it, but as soon as I bring my remote, so see. Why you are able to hear double sounds? It's just because this t-shirt which I am wearing right now, this part of this t-shirt's color is matching with the color of this remote. So that is the reason while scanning while this rectangle block is going from this side to this side. So we are able to hear that sound from the background. Let me just change the color to something else. If I'll change the color to this one, let's select. Okay, let me select something else. Let me see if I have got something else with me or not. Okay, let's select this one. Right, so I would like to now come down and let me make use of this color picker tool. Just bear with me for a moment, because to see the magic you will have to wait. Yes, so now I'm able to see this color picker tool, and I'm going to pick up this color. Yes, okay, it picked up the color successfully. Let's see what is going to happen now. I think this color is matching with this, but let's see what's going to happen. So right now we're not able to hear anything, right? As soon as I'll bring it over here, so we heard sound, right? Okay, 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 fine. So that is the magic of video sensing block. If you want to feel it, definitely you can make something like this, right? Now, before going on to the last part, let me see if I have any queries to answer. I'm going to check the comments. I'm checking the comment section again. If you have any queries, if you have anything to ask, please let me know about the same so that I can resolve your queries. Okay, right now I'm not able to see any queries on my channel. Let me check the other channel on which this video is currently getting streamed. So it is Geeks for Geeks School. Do I have any queries over here? Rafiq Ahmed, thank you very much dear for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you are enjoying this one. Please do like and share the video, and also do share your feedback in the comment section. Okay, now what we can do in order to make it more appealing, we can just duplicate this code. So Control C, Control V, and I'm putting it over here. And this time I'm going to add another object's color. Now I'm searching for something. Okay, so I have this bottle with me. Let me add the color of this bottle over here using this color picker tool. So here I go, I'm adding this one. Okay, so it has picked up the color. Fine. Now let's run this game another time. Okay. So I'm enjoying this game a lot. Just try to create it on your own. Definitely you are also going to enjoy it. See? So when it is touching this color, then also we are able to hear the sound from the background. And when it is touching this color, at that time also we are able to hear the sound from the background. So it's amazing. This game is really amazing. Just try to develop it on your own. Definitely it's you will be able to understand it very well then. Okay, so let me just stop this game and show you the entire code which I've defined till now on this coding workspace. So that's the code. Right now, where I have got these two blocks from, I have added this video sensing extension to my Scratch platform, and from there I have added these two blocks, so you can find them easily over here, right? And then there is this code with the help of which I am checking the collision part. Fine, so this is it in this lecture, but before ending this lecture I would like to again tell you about this beautiful course which Geeks for Geeks has come up with. So that's a course based on App Lab. If you do not know how to make applications, and if you are really interested in creating beautiful mobile applications, you want to learn about how you can create the user interface for mobile application, you want to know how you can add codes to your mobile apps, then you are at the right place. This course is made for you, and definitely you are going to enjoy this course. There are lot many things that you're going to learn in this course, and we have put a lot of effort in making the, in designing this course. So definitely you will not regret. You are going to take away many good things from this course. Now that's the URL with which you can access the web page on which the course details are given, right? And you can just click on this button, which is going to redirect you on a new tab where you can find all the information in this PDF, right? So there are 18 topics that we are going to cover, and besides that there will be lot many things in this course. Definitely you are going to enjoy it a lot, and you are going to take away many good things, right? If you want to know more about this course, you can get in touch with one of our executives. Definitely we are going to help you out in each and everything, in understanding the whole process. And also, if you want to learn something related to artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, or anything, any such thing, we are here to help you out. We are into everything right now, so give us a chance to impress you guys. And that's it. Thank you very much. God bless you and have a great day. Bye bye everyone. Take care.